So today is August 2nd and it is 6:23 p.m. What was the point of that? Ah, people! I had to redo this intro so much. Go! Stop! I had to redo this so many times. Oh,
So today, it is currently 6:25. We're heading to Lotte Tower.
I didn't say that yet. Okay, no, seriously. Currently, it is 6:23 p.m. and tonight we're going to be going to the Seoul Lotte Tower. It has 109 floors, I think, and it is the highest building in all of Asia. So yeah, see you guys there.
$81 for all three of us. So we're riding the escalator or elevator right now. Elevator. Wow, the light. Okay. So the elevator we are going to be riding goes up 460 meters, I think, really quickly.
Please use the elevator. Please mind your clothes and shoes while riding the escalator. Thank you very much for your
showing off my new Birks. Yeah, these are Birks. You're right. Frick yeah.